Many enterprises are dealing with hybrid deployments, some workloads in centralized cloud, others at the edge. How does this partnership help organizations build a unified streaming architecture that spans both environments without creating operational silos or data consistency challenges?
Yeah, I can take a stab at that. So you already had guests from Akamai on the show before, so the audience is probably aware of the Akamai, the plan, the strategy that we have to have this continuum of compute, right? So from core regions to distributed regions to edge regions. When you think about core, you're probably talking tens of locations, distributed hundreds of locations, and the edge is thousands of locations. Redpanda obviously runs on multiple clouds, and it's portable. But our goal with this partnership is to allow developers to build across the continuum, and also on top of that, leverage the benefits that the Akamai Edge and the security solutions that we bring to the table to our customers. So you can deploy it, you can create your applications using Redpanda running on the node, and you can choose to deploy it at different locations. It's not just compute or distributed regions, and it can work very well with the CDN, which is the front point of entry for all your user requests. And guess what? You can still be secured from DDoS attacks, application layer attacks, or any other plethora of those security threats that you're concerned about when you build those applications.
So the nice thing about Redpanda is it's not a complex thing to deploy and operate. You can basically just run it wherever you want. It could run on a small compute machine, and then we can ship that data to different storage devices, like a global CDN that Akamai is well known for. So there's various different ways of distributing the data. The other thing too is through various connectors, which you can run in Akamai Cloud, is you can transform the data. You can do access controls through our Agentic data plane. So you can make sure that your agents and workloads go to specific locations, specific teams, specific destinations. So it's all about governance and accountability at scale. I'm talking about logs. I'm talking about tracing what those agents are doing, who has access to what, and giving you total visibility into your real-time information across your organization.